Hello. Have you ever wondered how all living things, from tiny bacteria to enormous whales, manage to stay alive and healthy? The answer lies in the incredible processes that take place within their cells. Today we're going to explore how cells of all organisms use similar strategies to maintain homeostasis, the delicate balance that keeps them functioning properly. Let's start with one of the most fundamental processes, obtaining energy. All cells need energy to carry out their various activities, just like we need food to fuel our bodies. This energy comes from breaking down nutrients such as sugar and fats through a process called cellular respiration. In this process, glucose plus oxygen are broken down into carbon dioxide and water and produce energy. Inside the cell, specialized structures called mitochondria act as powerhouses, converting nutrients into usable energy. This energy is then used to perform various cellular functions, such as building new molecules, moving materials around the cell, and even dividing to create new cells. Another essential process for maintaining homeostasis is waste removal. Just as we need to get rid of waste products from our bodies, cells also need to eliminate waste materials produced during their metabolic activities. These waste products, such as carbon dioxide and ammonia, can be toxic if they accumulate inside the cell. Cells have various mechanisms for getting rid of waste. Some waste products are transported to the cell membrane and released into the surrounding environment, while others are packaged into vesicles and expelled from the cell. Finally, all cells have the ability to reproduce, ensuring the continuity of life. This process involves the creation of new cells from existing ones. There are two main types of cell reproduction, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division that results in two identical daughter cells. It is essential for growth and repair, and the replacement of cells in a multicellular organism. Meiosis, on the other hand, is a specialized type of cell division that produces gametes or sex cells and are involved in sexual reproduction. Whether it's obtaining energy, getting rid of waste, or reproducing, cells of all organisms share these fundamental processes to maintain homeostasis. These processes are the foundation of life, ensuring that organisms can grow, develop, and adapt to their environments. Thank you for watching.